Westbound coming, guys. Alright, we got another one. Grandpa?
Yep. Good deal.
There he is. I can hear him. Yep. There he comes. So the green light means he can go past Pat Booker on the side track. Green light. Those were the best horns of that I ever heard of that train. That horn. That was a good horn, right? It's a long train.
Get you in a better spot.
Yep. Oh, here comes the end with 2 engines. Yep, 2 engines. On the back.
Looks like he's slowing down though.
Yeah.
So he may be going to park down there.
Yep. See ya, train. That's 2.